In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 low-cap crypto projects that I believe are quite under the radar. And starting off is going to be the first crypto project that was funded by the German government, and that's Cloud, token ticker NCDT. To know more about this project as well as 4 other great low-cap gems in my opinion, stick around for this whole video. Cloud is a decentralized cloud computing crypto project that I believe has so much potential, not just because it's a great project by itself, but because decentralized cloud computing has very strong justification on the blockchain. There are millions of CPU and GPU units all around the world that can be effectively used for a lot of computational tasks that require high power. The blockchain makes it so easy to access this untapped potential, and Cloud is a very good example of this. Sitting at a market cap of $5.2 million and a circulating supply of 50%. This is a project that I've been eyeing since it was on 4 cents. Right now it's sitting at 21 cents. So I'm kind of sad that I didn't bring this project to you sooner, but I think it can go much higher from this point. You can find this project on Uniswap and some few other centralized exchanges. Cloud is a great cloud computation solution. The cloud computing revolution is a great way for you to monetize your unused computing power when you don't need it so that the global community can benefit. I think this project has a lot going for it. Over here on their Twitter, you will see they're implementing new features including artificial intelligence. AI in cloud computing is quite interesting. On their website, you will see that they have an open and docs team and they are tapping into a market that is estimated to reach $1.2 trillion by 2027. Decentralized cloud computing has a lot of use cases. You would see here it can be used for scientific research, data analysis, artificial intelligence, as well as video rendering. If you think about the competition out there, projects like RNDR, these are projects that have reached market cap of up to $500 million. If Cloud were to reach those market cap, that's 100x from this point. And I think this project can actually achieve that because it's got a lot going for it. You can see here automatic distribution, monetization and sustainability, scalable workloads and cost, consumer-friendly and simple usage, cost-efficient solution. It's also secure and reliable. Not only is it regulatory compliance in terms of how it operates within Germany, it's also got mining aspects to it where miners earn 70% of the profits. So this is a project that should have very few regulatory issues in my opinion. And this project is not afraid to talk about the competition, something I always encourage projects to do. You'll see here, the sector is operating in its hardware and shortage risk compared to projects like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, the RNDR token, Akash network, which I really like by the way, as well as internet computer. So great projects, one that you should be paying very close attention to. I believe this project can go much higher than where it's sitting at right now. It's sitting at just $5.2 million in market cap. The next project is within the Oracle solutions, and I think there's going to be a very strong need for another Oracle solution. Chainlink is just dominating that market space right now, but it doesn't have the best tokenomics. I think OnMarshall provides a very good alternative, sitting at $3.5 million in market cap and 45% in circulation. OnMarshall token ticker Marsh is a great solution in my opinion, and it's quite down right now, so now might be a good time to get some exposure to it. You can find this project on Uniswap as well as KuCoin, PancakeSwap and Ascendix. This is a project that has very strong focus on interoperability. It provides both on-chain and off-chain data for wallets, exchanges, launchpads, play-to-earn games and so much more. A very reliable blockchain data infrastructure. I like the fact that there are so much DeFi solutions using it, and pay attention to projects that are helping build an ecosystem. It's not just all talk. You can see here Polygon, Elrond, Birdcash and so on utilizing it, and they have a strong focus on interoperability. Like I said, Binance, Polygon, Cardano, Celo, Ethereum, Kronos, Zilliqa, Algorand and much more. I think this project has a lot of long-term potential. Here's a visual representation of how OnMarshall provides refined blockchain data to so many Web3 components like wallets, exchanges, NFT marketplace, launchpads, metaverse, DeFi protocols, and so on. This is a project that's 100x is just $300 million in market cap. And I think 100 million market cap is quite possible for this project, giving you a potential 30x return in the coming bull run. On their Twitter, you can see here they've got several tools to help projects build, and you've got examples of projects building on them like the Mantle ecosystem. Another project that I think is quite interesting is Precipitate AI, token ticker RAIN. Now this is a project that newly launched, so you have to proceed with caution, but I do believe it has a lot of potential as well. $1.6 million in market cap and 100% in circulation. Precipitate AI unifies multi-chain Web3 data streams with AI models using the RAIN token. An interesting project that combines decentralized data with artificial intelligence. Two narratives that I'm super bullish on in the next bull run. You can see here on their website, the Precipitate protocol allows you to operate at the intersection of artificial intelligence and Web3, infrastructure as a service, deploying AI-optimized virtual private servers, interfacing with EVM blockchains, on-chain interaction, and it supports multiple blockchains including Ethereum, Arbitrum, and Shibarium. The next project also operates using AI to enhance experience on the blockchain, and that's on-chain AI. This is another project that's launched not too long ago, and what they aim to do is to quickly create and deploy decentralized applications using artificial intelligence. This project is an interesting layer 1 solution for creating a thriving ecosystem using artificial intelligence. It's up 23%. However, you must bear in mind that this project is still in its early stages and the idea is going to be put in action by Q4. So there's still some time to get into this project before the launch of their products. Right now you can find it only on Uniswap. On-chain AI is simply a powerful decentralized proof-of-stake based blockchain with integrated AI chatbot module, making it ready for mass adoption. So a project that makes it easy to get started in the crypto space for easy deployment of decentralized application. And if they do release a working product by Q4, this project could make you a lot of gains. High performance and low fees, decentralized and clean, AI powered and developer friendly. I really like projects that make it easy to get started in the crypto space. Think about projects like Graphlink Protocol, MITx. These are projects that have gone up to $10 million in market cap. On-chain AI has a low market cap of about $1.6 million. By Q4, this project could easily give you a 10x return and even much higher if they deliver a working product. The fifth project on my list today is Dovo, token ticker DOV. I'm a big fan of projects that address the energy issues when it comes to the crypto space. I'm bullish on projects like Energy Web Token, and I've also covered microcap gems like the Brooklyn Network. Dovo is also addressing this challenge, sitting at a market cap of $3.5 million and excellent tokenomics of 99% in circulation. This project is powering an efficient carbon market using the blockchain. The idea of this project is good. However, I must tell you that the biggest challenge when it comes to projects like this is just the crypto space doesn't take the idea of carbon emission too seriously. It's just the nature that I've seen so far. But there is a pressing issue and this project is addressing it. The Dovo project is helping fight climate crisis using blockchain technology to power efficient carbon markets and enable them to achieve their potential. That begs the question, there are several Web2 companies that are doing this. What is the point of this project existing on the blockchain? Well, if you scroll down a bit, you would see here that this project provides a fast and cheap carbon onboarding. Suppliers, regardless of size, can get their carbon in front of buyers in a matter of days. The blockchain is that much easier and faster. Full audibility, distributed ledger technology, records every detail about a carbon offset, and market interoperability, working with any MRV, so offsets have greater liquidity between markets. This means more choice for buyers and improved pricing for suppliers. I think this is a project that can attract a lot of companies that are serious about carbon emission. It's a very unique and niche narrative, so I wouldn't say this project would explode easily, but bear in mind it's providing a useful service, a useful tool to companies that need it. And if this becomes a thing in crypto, like usually in the bull run, people are going to start paying attention to projects that are building in this niche, Dovo being one of the good ones. There are many more secret cryptos that I'm researching and I'm discussing these projects first on my Patreon. If you'd like to join in on these conversations with not just me but a lot of bright minds as well, consider joining my Patreon. Links down in the description. I also do buy alerts, sell alerts, as well as good portfolio management. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you've subscribed by now. Like, share, comments down below on any other project or topic you'd like to see me cover, and I hope to see you next time. Stay safe and take care.